would you just look at it? Lovely, lovely. Only 11 foot. Didn't sink my line. Who cares? Anyway, I saw you. I did see that. Anyway, I know a lot of people on YouTube like search for catfish baits or Facebook posts and all that. I am them people. I need all of your catfish bait recipes because I've got, what is it? Grape, chicken gizzards, cherry Kool-Aid, chicken, Proline, monster crab and grape, cheese chicken, garlic chicken. Ordered that on eBay. Didn't turn out the best. So yeah, if you got like, a good bait, I'd kindly appreciate it if you'd want to share it, Alright. Finally got my chest thing rigged up. Looks ridiculous. But, who really cares? It's 2024. Hell, everybody and their cousin is like trying to make videos. Those bluegill. Probably can't see them. And nobody around my house really does. I mean, they'll take like a racing video that's supposed to be like 10 seconds and record for like 5 minutes from the second they get like pit lane to return lane. But nobody wears accessories or does things, if that makes sense. I don't know. It could just be a little small town thing. Or it could just be that, I'm fucking weird. One, two. But, I got a little garlic, cheese, Proline, cherry Kool-Aid, grape, whatever eBay special. I got all that. Backpack, it's got all kinds of good stuff. Bathroom, the forbidden one, because no. That's really about it. I mean, I got, the Jeep. And then there's just a beautiful view. And then the sound of me almost going through this dock because I'm 250 pounds. Love it. Not gonna lie. Sky looks very not welcoming. So, I'm back on my little fine ass up. Forbidden toilet. And, oh my god, I really need to tighten these straps. This thing just bounces. Holy shit. And get out of here. Just throw that away because that's just nasty. Just gonna, kind of head back before it, starts raining. And get wet ass because nobody likes that. But on the bright side, the mail lady at the post office is now no longer friends with me because I ordered stink bait through the mail. And it's been sitting out there all day. And I did not know it because I was not watching the delivery. Would you shut up? I'm trying to talk. Thank you. Anyway, yeah, stinked up half the post office. Got all the fun activities. There's football going on over there. Traffic. It's not a completed, fishing trip without RC. Look at that. Congratulations. You don't know how to use a fucking turn signal. Appreciate it. But, I got just this 00 Grand Cherokee Limited. Every Jeep I've ever owned has had an engine light. Is it just a Jeep thing from factory? Because I've never had one without it.